Hi everyone, I'm Prashaant Jain. I'm the Director Marketing of Libra International Limited. We are one of the leading foam and mattress manufacturers in India since 1995. We are exhibiting at Mattress Tech from 6th to 9th March. I repeat, 6th to 9th March. It's a great show and I want to welcome all our stakeholders, our suppliers, our vendors, our customers, our prospects, all of you all to our stall. We will be displaying our mattress products, PU foam sheets, cushions, rolls, lamination foam, CNC cut foams, and some new launches are happening like last year. And we are launching our completely new orthopedic series of mattress. We are also launching our luxury mattress brand this year at Mattress Tech. So looking forward to seeing you all, welcoming you all. Contact details of our team will be there for coordinating your logistics and hope to see you there.